Good day, Faith friends. My name is Corinne Angela R. Alcantara. Today, our Gospel reflection is according to Luke chapter 17, verses 1 to 6. These verses challenges us in three core areas of Christian living: how we influence others, how we treat those who hurt us, and the nature of our faith. First, let's talk about on how we should influence others. We should be mindful with our actions so as not to make others sin or lose their faith. Jesus warns us that if we cause someone to fall, we are in trouble. Our actions matter, so we should be good examples and be great role models for others. We should always remember that our choices are never only personal. It could affect others without us knowing. Next, how should we treat those who hurt us? Well, Jesus told us to forgive others 70 times 7, meaning limitlessly. Forgiveness must be endless. This is a difficult but essential rule about forgiveness. This teaches us that true forgiveness is not just a feeling. It is a continuous choice we make, mirroring God's mercy towards us. Lastly, the nature of our faith doesn't matter how big or small. Even faith as small as a mustard seed is enough. What's important is that we have real faith in God. This helps us connect with God and grow more closer with Him. We should live a prayerful and clean life. That's all for my gospel sharing today. Make sure to subscribe to Facebook PH's official YouTube channel and download the Facebook app or register at www.faithbook.ph. Thank you and God first.